The legal world is full of surprises, and sometimes the most bizarre cases result in huge wins for the plaintiffs. From suing over a lack of ghosts to winning millions for a defective pair of pants, here are 5 real-life stories where people won big in court over the weirdest things. 1. The case of the haunted house, no ghosts included. In 1991, Helen Ackley sold her home in Nyack, New York to Jeffrey Stambovsky. The catch? Ackley had previously claimed the house was haunted by friendly ghosts, even sharing stories in local publications. Stambovsky, who didn't believe in ghosts, was horrified when neighbors filled him in on the home's spooky reputation. Stambovsky sued Ackley for failing to disclose the haunting before the sale. The court ruled in his favor, stating that the house's reputation as haunted materially affected its value. Stambovsky was allowed to back out of the sale, and the case became famous as the Ghostbusters ruling. Stambovsky won the right to rescind the contract, proving that even supernatural claims can have real legal consequences. To the $1.26 million pants lawsuit, in 2005, Roy Pearson, a Washington, D.C. administrative law judge, took his pants to a dry cleaner for alterations. When the pants went missing, Pearson sued the dry cleaner for $67 million, claiming they had violated their satisfaction guaranteed sign. Pearson argued that the missing pants caused him emotional distress and financial hardship. The case dragged on for 2 years, with Pearson eventually reducing his claim to $1.26 million. While Pearson didn't get the millions he wanted, the case became a global sensation, highlighting the absurdity of frivolous lawsuits. The dry cleaner won the case, but the publicity cost them dearly in legal fees and stress. 3. The McDonald's coffee spill that changed everything. In 1992, 79-year-old Stella Liebeck spilled a cup of McDonald's coffee on her lap, suffering third-degree burns. She sued the fast food giant, claiming the coffee was excessively hot and dangerously served. Liebeck argued that McDonald's had ignored hundreds of previous complaints about the temperature of their coffee. The jury awarded her $2.86 million in damages, though the amount was later reduced to $640,000. Liebeck's case became a symbol of corporate accountability and sparked debates about tort reform. It also led to McDonald's lowering the temperature of its coffee. 4. The man who sued over a missing finger in his chili. In 2005, Ana Ayala claimed she found a human finger in her bowl of Wendy's chili. The story made headlines, and Wendy's sales plummeted. However, investigators later discovered that Ayala had planted the finger herself. Wendy's sued Ayala for defamation, seeking to recover the millions lost in sales due to the scandal. Ayala was eventually arrested and sentenced to prison for fraud. Wendy's won a settlement and cleared its name, but the case remains one of the strangest examples of food-related lawsuits. 5. The $500,000 cat lawsuit. In 2012, a Pennsylvania woman sued her neighbor for $500,000 after her cat, Princess, went missing. She claimed the neighbor had trapped the cat and given it to a shelter where it was euthanized. The woman argued that the neighbor's actions caused her emotional distress and violated her property rights. The case settled out of court with the neighbor paying an undisclosed amount. While the exact settlement remains private, the case highlighted the emotional value people place on their pets and the legal protections animals can have. And there you have it. 5 times people won big in court over the weirdest things. From haunted houses to million-dollar pants, these cases prove that truth really is stranger than fiction. Who knew the legal world could be this wild? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more crazy stories, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out. Got a favorite bizarre legal case? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and maybe double check your chili.